Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Audi R8 and the McLaren 600LT. These two incredible machines represent different philosophies in the supercar world. The R8, with its glorious naturally aspirated V10, offers a blend of daily usability and thrilling power. The 600LT, a track-focused, long-tail variant, prioritizes raw performance and an intense driving experience. Let's dive into what makes each of these supercars unique. When it comes to sheer power, both cars are exceptional. The Audi R8 boasts a magnificent 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10, offering up to 602 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. This allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.1 seconds. The McLaren 600LT, with its 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8, produces 592 horsepower and 457 pound-feet of torque, hitting 60 miles per hour in a slightly quicker 2.9 seconds. The driving experience truly differentiates these two. The Audi R8, especially with its quattro all-wheel drive, offers superb traction and a surprisingly comfortable ride, making it suitable for longer journeys. Its handling is precise, and the V10 engine sound is truly intoxicating. In contrast, the McLaren 600LT is a pure track weapon. It features a stiffer suspension and hydraulic steering, providing unparalleled feedback and an incredibly agile, raw driving sensation. Considering practicality and value, the Audi R8 typically starts around $160,000, offering a more refined interior and greater everyday comfort. It's a supercar you could genuinely drive daily. The McLaren 600LT, with a starting price closer to $259,000, is a more specialized, lightweight, and exclusive vehicle. It sacrifices some comfort for an uncompromising, exhilarating track-focused experience, making it a true enthusiast's choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.